Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with yet another luxury haul because I have a problem. I have an addiction. I need to go to rehab. There is nothing better to do. We cannot travel. I am going crazy not being able to travel. So my excitement these days is browse online, beautiful things, order them, have fun trying them on at home. So since Mother's Day is coming, today's haul is a Mother's Day haul from me to me because I am worth it. And so are you. If you are a mom of boys, girls, furry babies, it doesn't matter. I feel like we should treat ourselves, especially during these crazy times that we are living in. So you will see all of the fabulous items that I got, which are also kind of like preparation for summer haul. So I would say this is a Mother's Day / summer prep haul because I do have hope that my summer is gonna be fabulous. Okay, I am gonna have a hot girl summer. All right, I don't care what's going on around the world. I am gonna make it happen, people. I don't care if I have to be looking amazing in my backyard, but mama over here is gonna have some fun. And I'm going to start this haul with the sponsor of this video, which is Luisa. Luisa makes the most amazing jewelry, classic, sophisticated, timeless. My subscribers know I work with them for a long time. I collect their jewelry. If you see my Instagram stories, I'm always wearing my Luisa, and they're having a Mother's Day sale where you get 15% off anything on their site. And I have the link in the description box below for you to click and get your discount. So let's open the 4 items that I chose from them. You know, all of the items that I show on my videos are items that I chose for myself. So it's not for show, it's for real life. Let's open the very first one. This pair of earrings. I am obsessed with stacking my piercings. I chose these because of the fun shape and because they have crystals as well right here at the bottom. How beautiful is this? What I would do is I would put my main earrings and I would put these on the piercings at the top just to have kind of like a cascading effect, a stacking effect. What a perfect gift for Mother's Day. The next one is also a pair of earrings because I am slightly obsessed. Look at this. This is a vibe, okay? With this chain hanging here. I mean, this is a total vibe. The prices at Luisa, there is no luxury markup. They start at $39, so very reasonable. What a punch of style without really breaking the bank, right? Now, the next one I am super excited about because it's a set of 3 necklaces. Oh, this is so the look right now. And I think this is so beautiful as a gift because the packaging is gorgeous. Now, one thing that I want to mention, guys, if you want to order this for Mother's Day, you have to order by May 5th to make sure that it will arrive on time for Mother's Day, okay? So look at this. Oh, what a look. Oh my God, this is so right now. And what I love about Luisa is that they are really focused on sustainability. They offset 100% of their carbon emissions. And they have a 1-year warranty for their jewelry. Now I have one more piece to show you. Look at how beautiful. These classic chains are so in right now as a bracelet, as a necklace. So let's put this baby on. And Luisa also, guys, they make everything in small batches. So this way they minimize the waste from their production lines. I think nowadays we really need to focus on supporting companies that care. Okay, so that is it right here. Ugh. To die for. I hope you love my pieces. Make sure you click the link in the description box below to take advantage of their Mother's Day discount. Perfect gift for yourself or for your mom. And you know, they have prices for everybody. They start at $39 and they have high-end pieces as well. So regardless of your taste, you will find something that you love. So now let's move on to our next item, which is from Fendi. Let's do this unboxing together. So exciting to do unboxings, right? And open new goodies. Okay, so this is a summer item, limited edition collection from Fendi, and it is a amazing swimsuit. Check this out. This is from a limited edition collaboration that Fendi had a few months ago. You have no idea how hard it was for me to find this specific bathing suit. So here's the deal. I was looking for an amazing swimsuit to go to Dubai. I had a trip planned to Dubai that ended up falling through. I actually had all of my tickets purchased. I had hotels booked, reservations for restaurants, me and my best friend. And like a week before, I was checking the COVID test testing requirements, and I realized that to get into Dubai, your passport has to be valid for 6 months, and my passport was only valid for 5. So anyway, I was able to get a refund for everything. I still intend on going, but now, you know, I'm just gonna wait a little bit. But this was for Dubai, and I wanted an incredible, beautiful, sexy swimsuit, and nothing was doing it for me. You know, I feel like the Gucci swimsuits are kind of like, you know, super overdone. And then some of the other ones that I was seeing, the cut is not very flattering. A lot of these luxury houses, they make the swimsuits kind of like 50 style, and they go all the way low on your thighs. I just feel like a higher cut swimsuit here is so flattering, and the Fendi swimsuits have the most amazing cuts. Guys, this was impossible to find. A collaboration had been done. You know how these things are, right? For collabs, you have to like pre-order the items to be able to buy. I discovered this website called Baima. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correct, but they sell difficult to get pieces from Chanel, from Louis Vuitton, all authentic, but super overpriced. I mean, you will pay a serious markup. But if there is something that you are completely obsessed with, which was the case for me here, you might be willing to pay more, which was kind of what I was willing to do in order to get this look. I wanted this look. I wanted to be in white in Dubai and take amazing photos. And I'm still gonna make it happen. We're gonna put this energy out there that I'm still gonna take my photo in Dubai with my Fendi swimsuit. I reapplied for my passport. So anyway, I bought it through them. I paid like $400 more, right? So the swimsuit is like $600 and something, and I paid like $1,000 for it. Next, let's do Dior unboxing. Also, summer style. Let's open this baby up, and it is a Christian Dior visor. This is one of like the newer colors that I purchased. If you guys watched my latest bag unboxing, my $9,000 bag unboxing, I am doing a giveaway on that video for a visor. That visor was actually my visor, and I decided that I wanted this color. So I ended up buying this one for myself, and I am giving the other one that I had as a giveaway. So if you want to enter the giveaway, go back to the $9,000 unboxing and check it out and leave a comment. The instructions are on the video, but I wanted this right here to be dark to protect me more from the sun, because I do have dark spots on my cheek. And then I love, let me show you here, look how cool it says Ja Dior in gray. And then right here, instead of being black and white, which the majority of them are, mine is gray and white, which I think it looks beautiful and chic and very sleek, and it will match better with the swimsuits that I have. And these are around $400, guys. If you keep an eye out, you will get them on sale for like $300, like $290. You know, there are sales that are going around if you are obsessed with these, but I think these are a must for summer. Next, we have something from Tiffany's, and this is something for the house. And I have a funny story about this right here, but let me open it up. You guys know I am collecting Tiffany items for my home, and the more I see, the more I want. I'm totally going crazy on buying things for my home right now, but so check this out. How cute are these cute mini trays, okay? I want to put like cute little rings, like a little ring tray. I have purchased quite a few of the pieces from the Tiffany home line. I think this color is absolutely beautiful. Now here's the funny story. This actually comes in a set of 4, but I did not want 4 trays, okay? So my friend Val was with me. We are shopping in Miami. We go to Tiffany's, and we are both like, oh my gosh, we want these trays, you know? And we look at each other and we're like, but 4? Like, we don't need 4. And it was $250 for 4. So Val is like, let's buy and let's split. I'll keep 2, you keep 2. And they're all super cute like this. And that's exactly what we did. So the sales associate was so nice. He split the set, packaged them separately for us, and then it ended up costing $125 for each, which is much better than $250. I can put these around my Hermes jewelry tray and make them look so cute. I can put them in the bathroom. Slowly but surely, my green Tiffany's collection is growing, because the prices for Tiffany homeware are not very bad, not very expensive. Compared to like Hermes and Dior, their prices are really reasonable. Next, we're gonna do Zimmermann. I'm even embarrassed. I have Zimmermann in every single haul. Can you just laugh with me? I know sister here has a problem. I want my closet to be a Zimmermann boutique. What can I say? I am keeping Zimmermann stock up there so they stay in business, okay? So let's open this together. And this is this stunning Zimmermann blouse. Look at the sleeve. I mean, look at the detail, okay? With a zipper. Okay, look at this. See the buds? They're gold on the outside and they have the Q fabric on the inside. I mean, this is the Zimmermann touch. I mean, look at the finish on the blouse right here with this contrast piping. I mean, this is such a beautiful summer blouse. It is high neck, so you can button it up and have a more formal and chic look, or you can unbutton and make it kind of open, maybe a little bit of cleavage and look super sexy, but it makes you look expensive. What can I say? When you have this much fabric on a sleeve where, you know, most clothing brands are like saving on fabric, you know what I mean, to make the clothes more inexpensive, they splurge on the details, they splurge on the quality. $595 was the price. It is not cheap, okay, but it will last you a lifetime. And I'm slowly but surely building my Zimmermann wardrobe, so one day I don't have high street clothes in my closet anymore. The goal is to only have high quality fabrics, natural fabrics that are not polluting the environment, no polyester, do you know what I mean? At the end of every season, I always buy Zimmermann. It's one of my tricks is when it goes on sale, I buy at least one piece every season. Last item on this haul is from Hermes, also a summer item, so very summery haul, just like I told you. Look at this, and let's open this up. This actually just arrived in stores, literally just launched. Ta-da-da. And this is an Hermes bathing suit. Look how pretty. It has the beautiful Hermes detail right here, you know, very symbolic emblem for Hermes, right? And it is a low back as well, super sexy. I actually want to wear this as a bodysuit more than a bathing suit, to be honest. So pretty with like white linen shorts, maybe Chanel slides. You're looking amazing. And then what I wanted to mention to you right here is that this detail right here is so flattering, guys, because this part right here, right, these two details right here are cinching you on the waist. So it pulls your waist in, and these lines give an effect that you have even a smaller waist than you actually do. It's like a real cool kind of like optical illusion trick that they did with this bathing suit that made it so fabulous. If you guys are into this, you need to order it like right away, because you know things from Hermes are very limited. They do not last a long time. Think about this with fabulous pants, white transparent linen pants, a fabulous summer hat, and you look like $1 million. In case you are wondering, I got this in a size 40. I have a very curvilicious body. I have big breasts, I have hips, so 40 actually fit perfect for me, and I'm normally a US size 6. So this is it for this haul, my summer Mother's Day haul. I hope you enjoyed all of the items. I hope you got some good ideas of things to purchase, and I hope you enjoyed all of my beautiful pieces from Ana Luisa. If you are looking for an inexpensive, fabulous, classic, sophisticated gift to give yourself or your mom, make sure you check out Ana Luisa. I have the link in the description box below, and right now is the time to buy because you have the 15% off sale for Mother's Day. Thank you so much for watching. If you are new to the channel, I hope you loved it enough to subscribe. Stick around, let's hang out. And for my returning subs, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you on the next video. Love you. Bye.